Teleports transport avatars between worlds and within worlds. In order to create a teleport, you need to assign a new trigger and command to the object. Here we have a sign. We're just going to turn it into a teleport sign. We're going to add a semicolon and activate teleport. So the activate trigger and the teleport command. And now we need a set of coordinates for where we're going to land. So we're going to move to 7 north, 4 east, and we want to stay at the same elevation. We're currently at 312.7 meters above ground level in our world. In order to do the teleport, you want to use 1/10 that value, or 31.27, and type an A after it. Now you have a choice of 360 degrees of a circle in terms of the direction you're going to be facing. We're going to stick with 270, which is where we're facing right now. So now if we hit that teleport, we move sideways a little bit. If you want this to be a little more surprising or interesting, you don't change the command, you change the trigger to bump. And now when you walk into this teleport, it will take you to that same location.